Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Kanya, Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Dr. MGR Education and Research Institute, Chennai. I am happy to attend the FDP organized by Ramanujan College, Delhi. I am going to present this video in SQL, a part of DBMS. SQL is known as Structured Query Language. It's a language or tool used to extract the data from the database. What is database? Database is a collection of interrelated data. What do you mean interrelated data? What do you mean by data first? Data is a process information. What is information? Information is a raw fact. The raw fact, which is called information, is processed and stored in the database in the form of data. A database is a collection of interrelated data. What do you mean by interrelated data? The data which are related to one another, stored in the same place known as database. What do you mean by interrelated? For example, data of a particular student or database of a student. What may be the data fields or data we'll be having in the database of a student? For example, if the student is a college student, then we'll be having first the register number of that particular student and name of the student and the course for which the student is enrolled, the department where the student is studying, and what is the student's contact number, and what is the student's parents' information, and what is the student's email address, and what is the student's personal information like birth, date of birth, blood group, all these things, and what are and the details related to students' academic performance and student data related to students' co-curricular performance. Everything will be stored in a single database that is known as database. Database which contains interrelated data. The data in the database will be stored in various tables for making the accessibility easy. We'll be having various normal forms to make the divide the tables in very simple way. Okay. Now we'll see about the SQL. SQL is an expansion of SQL is structured query language. It is from IBM. The first version of SQL is SQL 86. It's a tool to access the data from the database. We already discussed about the database. What do you mean by database management system? Database management system is a thing which data along with the data semantics and data relationship and database tools to access the data. All these together, we'll be calling it as database management system, DBMS. The SQL is concerned, we can do many operations in SQL. The basic operations are we can create the data, we can edit the data, we can use the data, and we can delete the data. The creation, addition, and deletion and sharing the data is the basic operation what we'll be having in SQL. Apart from that, we are having a number of other options. We can embed this SQL in programming languages through that we can access the data from the front end tools. Through the front end tools. On the data base, we are going to see the data definition language of SQL. The SQL can be classified in three categories: DDL, data definition language; DML, data manipulation language; DCL, data control language. Data definition language are the set of codings or instructions which are used to create the databases. Normally, the users of the